Here's the reality. Nobody's going to believe in you until you've already achieved something. Nobody will celebrate with you until you've accomplished your goals. The work comes before the recognition, meaning you'll have to toil for a long time without applause, without awards, and without anyone telling you good job. If you want people to believe in you, you need to build something great. When you waste your energy focusing on others instead of seizing your own opportunities, you're setting yourself up for failure repeatedly. This goes against societal norms. Society thrives on gossip and chatter about others rather than focusing on personal growth. That's why those who succeed don't associate with people who gossip. They focus on their own actions and how to improve. Instead of wasting time talking about others, invest that time in developing yourself. Your main competition is yourself. It's always you against you. You need to wake up every morning with discipline. Put in consistent hard work daily because that's what leads to success. You have to strengthen yourself mentally. Monitor your inner dialogue and start talking positively to yourself. Build yourself up. Sometimes the only positive reinforcement you'll hear is what you say to yourself. Encourage yourself. Tell yourself, I can do this. I can make this happen. When I tried to convince myself I could be a businessman after failing, losing money, and feeling foolish, I had to talk to myself because others called me dumb, and part of me believed them. I had to tell myself, no, you can handle this. You just haven't figured it out yet. This is your training period. The tuition you pay for what you don't know. You can do this. Others have done it. You don't need to be a genius. Change the way you see yourself and pay attention to the details. Understand that nobody will take care of your business better than you. You have to work on yourself, develop yourself, and continually sell yourself on your potential. It pains me to see young people wasting their time, especially with all the technology available at their fingertips that can lead to greatness. If you combine today's technology with the work ethic of your parents and grandparents, you could achieve incredible success. But you cannot skip the hard work. There's no way around it. You must be intentional and deliberate about pursuing your dreams, and you got to go after it. And what the devil wants you to do, what the enemy wants you to do is get distracted and focus on stuff. You shouldn't be. The folks know he wants you to stay in bed. What he would love to do is for you to waste these next 2 or 3 weeks. People spend time waiting for when the time is going to be right, waiting for the pieces to fall into place. They're waiting for the planets to align. They're waiting for everything to be all set. It's not going to happen. You want to know when the time is right. The time is right now. All you have to do to kill procrastination, just start. You just go, and procrastination dies. Just don't allow it stop and do what you need to do. So don't wonder how you overcome procrastination. It's easy. All you do to overcome procrastination is go tomorrow. Ain't no such thing as tomorrow. We only got today. You gotta take that thing out like you gotta take the breath out. So some of y'all afraid of math, go after it, go get it. Don't run from it no more, don't get it. You go in there and go get that grade. You go in there and get that information so you can pass that class. You gotta go get it. You ain't gonna be here forever. And if you ain't careful, you're gonna get to the end of your life and still be saying that you're gonna do it tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. From this day forward, I want you to start living your life as tomorrow wasn't gonna come, and that's right here. Right now is the only time you can act, not tomorrow, not next week, but right here, right now. Action is the only cure for procrastination. You need to do it now. Don't wait. Don't make excuses. Don't come up with reasons why you can't, and focus on all this. Might happen if things go wrong. Just get up, get out, and get done. You get one shot every time you find yourself putting things off. Remind yourself that there is no tomorrow. There is only today for you to act. No one's coming to lift the weights for you. No one's coming to study for you. No one's coming to put in the for you. No one's coming to do all the hard work for you. You have to do it yourself. Are you making yourself better? Are you making yourself worse? Are you moving forward? Are you moving back? Are you making progress? Or are you stagnating? Every little decision you make counts. If you want to live a happy, healthy, successful life, you've got to pick to go through the pain now and enjoy the peace later. Do not fall victim to the short-term gratification that is whispering in your ear, telling you 5 more minutes is fine. You can sleep in. You can eat that just this once. You can take the day off. You deserve to take a break. Shut that voice down. If you do what is easy, your life will be hard. But if you do what is hard, your life will be easy. Your habits are the building blocks of your life. It's what you do every single day that matters more than anything. Doing things that are a break from your routine are going to require force. Remember, achieving success is often a lonely road, and it's not for everyone. Those who follow others will never truly discover who they are. Only those who forge their own path can unlock their true potential. Those who fly solo have the strongest wings.